Hello, I'm Rob, and I want to welcome you to the Bordner Home Improvement family. We have 6 core values that guide us in everything we do and every decision we make. Here they are. Kind, smile as you do the unexpected. Fair, see it from their point of view. Protective, think long term. Driven, purposefully pursue our goals. Perceptive, define the issue. And finally, integrity, do the right thing. These 6 core values lay the foundation of our company. They keep us relationship focused and results driven. At Bordner, we strive for excellence, which is why we challenge all of our employees to know our core values and what they mean, challenge them to grow as an individual by living them out at work and at home, and show these values in their day-to-day, using them as a guiding light to stay on track. Thank you.